Yes. It's a boy, Corey the Traveler. Yeah, I'm in the house. This is our simple house. Oh, yeah, I'm watching Burundian Traveler. Yeah, this is our small house. We have an amazing pictures on the wall. We have this counter space.
You have an amazing wife.
We have a blender here. Yeah, so it's small but enough for us. Just perfect for us. So this is where we put our shoes. This is the main entrance to our house. Yeah, so this is our beautiful neighborhood. So when you come in, you're coming in to the Bichangas. The Bichangas. Yeah, I was watching Burundian Traveler. Right now he's in Zambia. Yeah. So this is my beautiful wife. This is our small kitchen.
Good morning, Corey the Travelers people. Here's a mango, fresh from Kenya, very organic.
Not GMO.
Yeah, not the fake ones.
Oh, I can see you're eating healthy.
I'm eating a bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich for breakfast, which is not really breakfast food, but it is what it is.
Okay. And for me, this is what I was eating, guys. I have rice here. What do you call this?
Stir fry, chicken stir fry.
Chicken stir fry.
Like chicken with vegetables, basically.
Yeah, chicken with vegetable. I have banana here. Actually, it's sweet banana. Very organic. And tea over here. So these are two small chairs. Yeah, and I know you guys are wondering what is that sound? Yeah, it is our small washing machine. So this is the washer and this is the dryer. So it always spins.
It's almost dry. Then we hang it up in the house, right?
Yeah, so we don't have to hang our clothes outside because
it almost
usually
dries it.
Yeah.
Like it spins until it's almost dry. Even big blankets, I just lay them on the bed and they dry. That way the sun doesn't
make them
fade them. That's the one.
Exactly. Yeah, so this is where we always I wanted to say fetch our water. This is where we always get our drinking water. And yeah, coming out from this through, is it through or to? Either through this door. We have our dustbin here. So these are our neighbors. We have it's like a road construction site where they always make the culverts, I don't know, things like that. So these are our neighbors' houses over here, and that's the road that leads to the main road. Amazing view, right? Cheers. And that is me.
Guys, living in Kenya, it's good. Let me show you guys this breakfast. Just look at those mangoes and look at this bacon, lettuce, and tomato.
You know, for me, one reason why I love Kenya, and I can say that Kenya is just the best place to live, is like things are not that much expensive compared to maybe the US. Yeah. And yeah, I know the prices, they've gone up. Yeah.
But like, for example, my dad was telling me how he was fixing the car. He bought a part for 4,000 shillings. Now to install that part on his car, it was 50,000 Kenya shillings.
Whoa. Babe, I think I want to be a mechanic.
That's our YouTube paycheck gone.
Whoa.
So imagine, I think I prefer Kenya. If you don't remove, okay, that's not proper English. If you don't remove the mango from the stone,
No,
you're
the
not...
seed. That's the seed.
Okay. If you don't remove this mango from the seed, you're missing a lot.
That is a lot.
I'm a Kenyeji Mazungu.
Yeah, so that is why I was saying that the reason why I love Kenya is our food, our fruits, our everything. Most of them, they are very, very organic. Very organic. Cindy,
Yep.
are you enjoying it?
Very much.
And yeah, these is it beetroot that we had blended? It was in the freezer.
Beetroot and mango juice.
You mix them?
I mixed them.
Oh, I didn't know that.
And then I'll add passion juice to it.
So you're just waiting for it to?
Guys, this is the substitute for Coke. We are leaving Coke and Sprite alone.
Yeah.
Time to be healthy.
Drinking organic drinks. So this is our small bathroom over here. Yeah, you know, with the ladies. The shampoo, the conditioner. This is the scrubber. This is where we put our toothbrushes. That's our shower, yeah. So this is just our small bathroom or washroom. Yeah, and this is the master bedroom. This is where we put our dirty clothes. So right now they're being washed, and this is our fan. We always sleep with our fan on every night. You know. Yeah, my wife, she's laughing. Yeah, it actually produces an amazing sound. Yeah, there's a big truck passing outside. Blue, it's color blue, and blue is my color. So yeah, so it always this fan always produces an amazing sound that it can make you to sleep like a small new baby. Yeah, and talking about small new baby, yeah, you have to knock. Cheers. I think you guys know her. I've done like a couple videos with her. That's my sister. I usually call her my pregnant sister. But right now she's not pregnant. This is the pregnant here. She's sleeping. Her name is Jasmine Summer. My mom gave her another name, which is Mora, and another name, which is Praise. So we are actually expecting another name from my mother, so I don't know when it will be. So Jasmine, say hi. Jasmine, say hi. Look at her. She looks so beautiful. Yeah, so I'm staying with my sister here, Naomi.
Hi.
Yeah, tell people to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Hello people, subscribe to Corey the Traveler's YouTube channel. Thank you.
And very soon you are starting your own.
Yes, and very soon I'm going to start my own YouTube channel. Hope I'll get yours, my fans.
So basically, what will you be doing in your video? Can you just pause it because of the copyright?
I'll be talking about how I'm going to walk this life with her, and yes, I hope for the best.
Hey Jasmine, we can't wait to see you in your YouTube video, in your YouTube channel. Tell people to subscribe.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yeah, so this is how we live here. So back to my room. We have this an amazing lights at night. At night, not nights. At night, it always gives an amazing light. So we don't always use the one up here because it's always a little bit very bright at night. And yeah, I just have so many things to show you guys. This actually it is a picture that we took before our wedding, and it was one of our wedding pictures that people could come and sign. These are all the signatures of the guests that they came to my wedding. So many. I hope you are able to, for the people who came, I hope you are able to see your signature. I just love this. God bless you. Amen. Be blessed.
No, I slept. Like I'm just tired of like staying in the house.
Yeah, so this is how our day is today. So we are just in the house, doing laundry, sleeping, eating, watching videos, actually YouTube videos, and what else? Yeah, as we wait. Oh, being it is on a weekend. It's on a Saturday, so this is what we are doing on a Saturday. Just chilling.
Chilling with the big boys.
Come here. I want to close this video. Yeah. So, how do you feel?
I feel like I'm doing laundry.
Yeah, but I've been helping you this morning.
Hey.
I made breakfast.
He made breakfast the past 2 mornings or 3.
I did
He fixed the bed.
Oh, yeah.
He cleaned up the living room. He washed the dishes.
Yeah.
He changed some laundry. He made breakfast for Naomi and the kid. Okay, just Naomi, but also the kid. He's a good husband. Find one of these.
Yeah, so guys, I've been working.
He was just hanging out.
Yeah, I've been working for the past few days since my sister came to stay with us. And yeah, basically right now I'm having like 3 babies in the house. I have my baby, I have my baby sister, and I'm having my baby niece. Yeah, I just love this life. It's just so perfect. So thank you guys for watching this small video. And before I end this video, yeah, this is on a weekend. During the weekdays I work. I just don't sit. So there's the next video is me working last night on Friday night, not night but evening towards the night. So I was doing an installation of internet in town at a certain office where they sell phone accessories and just so many accessories. So I hope you'll enjoy that small short clip. Until next time, I love you guys. See you in the next video.
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me, but when there's complications you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem you become like a wall, and every time I trip it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm not traveling, I'm working. So basically this is the job that I'm doing today. Installation. I'm installing Wi-Fi, and yeah, I've been working since like 2 hours ago. So this is the cable that I've been installing here. As you can see, and it goes all the way inside to that office. So I won't show inside the office for security reason, but yeah, so I think I'm gonna be working for the next probably again 30 minutes before this job ends. So yeah,